Alright, so let's talk about how to wash your puffer jacket properly without wrecking it. It's actually not that hard. You just need to know a couple of key things. First things first, always check the care label that's on your jacket. Brands may differ slightly, so make sure you don't skip this step. Once you've done that, make sure you zip everything up. The main zip, the pockets, velcro, everything. This protects both the jacket and the washing machine when you're washing it. Then chuck it straight into the washing machine. But don't add anything else in there. Just have the jacket in there on its own. But now here is the really important part. Don't put regular detergent in with your jacket. It can strip the down inside your jacket and ruin the insulation component part. Instead, we're gonna grab one of these. It's the Granger's Downwash Kit from Anaconda. One cap, which is 25 mils of detergent, straight into the detergent drawer. But make sure the detergent drawer is clean too. If it's got any detergent in there from before, just give it a quick rinse. Now select a gentle wash cycle, something between a cold and a warm wash. Maximum 30 degrees. And absolutely no spin cycle unless the care label says that it's okay. You don't want to force all the down in your jacket into these weird clumps. And when it's done in the wash, you're not just going to chuck it on the line and hope for the best. The drying part of this process is where it really counts. If you have a dryer, that is ideal. Pop your dryer on a low heat setting and chuck in some of these dryer balls. These balls help break up the down and bring that fluffy loft back. This may take 2 or 3 cycles, so you have to be patient. Every 20 minutes or so, you're going to want to pull it out of the dryer, give it a bit of a shake and a tap, and get that down moving around. No dryer though, no worries. You can air dry it. You may just have to lay it flat or hang it really carefully and come back often to either turn it or give it a shake. Otherwise, the down inside your jacket's just going to clump at the bottom and it's never going to feel right again. Once it's totally dry, you'll see your jacket come back to life, lofted, warm, and ready for your next adventure. A quick recap: zip it up, down specific detergent only, a gentle wash, dry it slow with some patience, and a gentle shake along the way. That's how you keep your puffer jackets in top shape so they'll last season after season.